Nom 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 nom. Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Today we are going to learn some raycasting, and we will also work on the what do you call it? The evolution mechanics. Yeah, I'm sorry that I couldn't talk that much because I have a very sore throat. Yeah, so that's a problem that we gotta face. But let me show you some of my gaming controls here. As you can see, it's a little bit smoother, actually a lot more smoother than previously. It looks really nice. See, it's very nice. I really like this. And all of this is working perfectly. Yeah, so I plan that maybe I'm still wondering how am I supposed to do this. So maybe I'm gonna go to project, go to input map, and the jump I'm going to add W. Okay. So this will be the controls. WASD for the movement, and the attack is gonna be J. Ouch. Okay, so it works perfectly now. So now all left is that we gotta work on the animation. Not animation actually. We gotta work on what we call the evolution mechanics. Yeah, we gotta work on that, but before that I might need to go to the toilet. I'm sorry, I know that we're just starting the stream, but I gotta go to the toilet for a second. So yeah, be right back. Back. Starting off with a good morning, huh? Wait, I gotta tie my hair first. Okay, I'm just glad that everything works the way I want it to be. Alright. It's I'm actually very tired, but it's okay. So over here we got the evolution test, and this, what we're gonna do, we get the collision, we got the sprite and everything, and I think the first thing we're gonna do is delete the enemy TSCN. So I'm gonna delete this, the enemy TSCN. Then I'm gonna go to the scripts and I'm gonna delete that too. So yeah, everything should work perfectly fine. Now, we gotta need an area 2D. And why is that? So this area 2D will be the evolution allowed detection. Evo allow. And inside, like usual, we're gonna add collision shape 2D, which, well, will be a rectangle. And I want it to be the same height as the enemy. Maybe around, I want it to be a little bit closer. Maybe around 3 or 4. 4 is fine, I think. Yeah. So the character will be over here, and when you detect, yeah. I think it should work. Now, do we have a script for the kaboom? No, we don't. So we're gonna give it a script, and the name is gonna be evolution test. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. I'm just gonna delete all this. So delete all this. I am not planning to make it move, so I'm just gonna allow the gravity. And maybe delete this thing too. Okay. Now that we have that, I'm gonna make a new variable. Enemy list. Enemy list. And it will be enemy library. So what that do is that whenever we call enemy list, we will have what we got inside the enemy library. For now, I have too much information that I don't really need, such as health bar. So I'm just gonna close this. Close is Control W. And let's see. We do not need this. I'm just gonna focus on the enemy library for now. Wait, my hook. I'm spitting shit and blood now. God damn. So this is the black slime, and this is the state machine. One thing we need though, so I'm just gonna close it all, including the player. Yeah. Here we got the sprites. We also got the states. Cool. Okay. So now let's go back to the enemy. I'm gonna give it a health. So over here we got enemies. This is even how you write it, but okay. So let's go back to the evolution test. We're gonna give it a health, okay? Let's give it a health and you know, just a regular thing. Go back. I should have not do that, huh? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dying. I think I'm dying. It's okay. Just gonna put all the thing inside the script. Ugh. It's horrible. Okay, let's give my enemy some kind of a health, and I will store this actually. And about this, I'm gonna give it into handle gravity. Make a new function, limit handle, then gravity. Is that how you write gravity? Yeah. So that, and put in delta. Just like that, you just call the handle gravity before the moving slide. Okay. Now, also, do not forget to go to the evolution test, get that FO allow here, and just for a foolproof thing, I'm gonna disable this for now. Disable this, and if I allow, I am just gonna body enter connect. I'm just gonna connect this first. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna connect it first. Now, we gotta need some kind of condition for it to work. So what I'm gonna do is go back to here, because we already worked on a lot of things. By that I mean giving it some kind of health. Okay. So I want my player to be able to have the choice. Let's say that I smack the enemy twice, or maybe the enemy is in a very low health. I don't want it to immediately disappear. I want it to stop for a second, and our player can decide what to do with it. We can absorb the enemy. So I'm gonna give it a timer also. Yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do this too. Give my enemy some kind of, a way to take damage. But I'm gonna turn off the knockback force. Okay. Now, if can make a new function too, I'm just gonna name this very simple. Evolution check. Okay. So we got an evolution check. So what that gonna do is that if the health is equal to 0, the health equal to 0, I'm gonna pass this first because we haven't found a way what to do. But now I'm gonna add a timer. So this timer, I'm gonna put it up there. F4 allow timer. And this F4 allow timer, I'm gonna turn on the one shot because we only got one shot, and the wait time will be 5 seconds, or maybe 6 seconds. Let's think. We're just gonna try with 5 seconds first. Okay, we got that, and F4 allow timer. If the health is equal 0, we start the timer. So I'm gonna put the timer here. Okay, we're gonna start the timer. For light timer to start. Yeah, so we're gonna start. Okay, we got the health. We got a lot of other stuff. We got health. We handle the gravity, and when the health reach 0, when the health reach 0, we start the timer. After that, what do? We gotta get these two, the set health, aka the thing that will kill our enemy. Do not forget about that. So that is a thing now, but you know, for a lot of reason, I'm gonna change this to allow timer time left is less or equal than 0. So when the timer ran out, we're gonna die. So let's test this out, and I also want to do something to indicate that, oh, please, consume me now. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna give it a canvas layer. Canvas group, canvas layer. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a canvas layer. F4 indicate. So, and then I'm going to give it a. Let's see, what do we need? See, in the canvas layer, control, we can have a container. Let's check the health bar to, oh, this is the script, my bad. Go to the scenes, because I forgot about UI. I forgot about UI already. So you go to the health bar. So you don't really need a container. Okay, it's okay. Go back to the 2D. Control. Maybe get a text edit. No. A label. Yeah, we will get a label, and it will be of. Never mind. Just get a label. Yeah. So the label will be on top. Let's say press U, and the label's heading. I'm gonna align it to center. Okay. Another thing is that, yo, Jeff the Hot Nose, welcome. Welcome to the stream. I'm sorry I couldn't talk too much today, because I have a pretty bad condition with my throat. Yeah, so that is what happened. Very unfortunate, but it is bound to happen anyway. So I'm just thinking, maybe the evolution, maybe I would be a good thing for evolution. Oh my god. Okay, so I have a sign. Okay, so you can see over here we get the pixel font. Now we're going to assign this label over here, and I forget what it is. Font. Yeah, we can give it the font. If we go to the fonts, we just take this here. Yeah, as you can see, font size, it is 6 pixel. Style is, yeah, I think that's good. You're fine, Pammy. We're start to get better. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. As you can see, I couldn't talk too much because it's basically killing me. So, I am going to make a label to indicate that, hey player, press U to consume. Maybe that's a little bit too much. Let's say just press U. Is that clear enough? I think it is. I think it is. So, what I'm gonna do is that, can I hide this? I think I can. So I'm gonna hide this by default. Maybe not from here. Is there a way to hide the thing? Yeah, maybe there is. Okay, let's go to the script and give it this. Okay. Let's think. It feels like an ASMR now. That's because I couldn't talk too loud. Is this how I do it? I don't know. Maybe not. Ah. Just do this apparently. Okay. Let's bring our little test subject to, where's my test subject? Since evolution test over here. Yeah, let's bring our test subject. Let's make it a couple times. Okay, weirdly enough, it is not taking damage. Okay. It's okay. We can fix that. Ah, I just realized that we didn't put this into the enemy group. Yeah, forgot about that. Okay, let's do it again. Now that we have, sure, okay, it works now. Weird. Oh yeah, I just realized I didn't call this. I didn't call the function. Should have called the function. Let's try it again. Ah, it works now. Look. And in the span of 5 seconds, it's gonna disappear. It's been more than 5 seconds. It is still not disappearing. Hey, wait. I think we should check the timer. Yeah, we gotta check the timer. Time left. This is one way of debugging, actually. The time left is 0. Okay, now it should... The time... So... I can see now that the time is not going down. I wonder why. I wonder why. By the way, my Wi-Fi shit, like always. So I might be spotty at best. It's okay. You know, it's okay as long as you can still do what you wanna do. I don't think that's a problem. And also don't worry about missing out every now and then. Just be sure to come back and ask me a question and I'll help you. I'll help you answer that question. Okay. So, I have encountered a problem, which is a pretty common problem actually. Yeah, it is a pretty common problem. Is that it is, you know, this function of here. It is being called multiple times. Now, how do we fix that? Obviously, there's one way. We only want to call the function, obviously, once. How are we gonna do that? We can use await. Await. We can do this. We can do that. I don't know if it will fix the thing or not. Yikes, it's not. Okay. I'm not gonna fix this. Okay. So we gotta need one condition that can be only true. That can be only true at, you know, in a second. How am I gonna fix that? We can go to the player. Oh no, we can go to the black slide. You know, we can use animation too, but I don't want to rely on the animation too much. This is, you know, conflicting. How am I gonna fix this? Very confusing, very confusing. Okay, first problem that we encountered here is that the function is getting called again and again and again, so it is getting called like, I don't know, 1,000 times. It's getting called 1,000 times, which, you know, we do not want that. How am I gonna fix that? I don't know. Let's check Google actually. My function is getting called multiple times. Okay, let's see. It's always a boolean, huh? It is always a boolean. By the way, is the BGM okay? Is it too loud or is it too quiet? I think that using a boolean okay. It's fine? Okay. Good. Sometimes, while doing some coding, one thing that we gotta do is that, you know, we need to actually think about a lot of things. And one of them is to, you know, take some time for yourself to think about what's wrong and how do you handle the thing that is wrong. Maybe make a new variable just for the evolution check. And for allow, let's make it false. Oops. Yeah, let's make it false. And for like false. Ah, I forgot about that. Confusing. Let's check that solution. I don't think it will work. It's a very messy code. It is a very messy code. But we'll see. It's basically a dumb code. Alright, now I do see the problem. Okay. Ah, yeah. I don't know if it's a one shot or what it is, but it is not working the way I want it to. True. How about that? Should work, right? 1, 2, 3. It's immediately 5. Huh. Confusing. Okay, let's not do that. Let's delete all this and just, you know, say sayonara to these first. Let's see. It is going down because it was getting called once. How am I gonna do this? I know now. How do I prevent the code from getting called multiple times? I don't know actually. My brain is on a jet lag. Actually no, but my brain is lagging right now. Okay. Ugh. How am I gonna do this? Alright. let's use our tiny little brain here. We gotta start the timer somehow. We gotta start the timer. But how? I don't know. We start the timer. But the problem is the timer keep going every single second, which is not ideal. Why? Wait. Shit. I don't know. Okay, you know what? We do the evolution tag, yeah. It might not change the thing, but I just want to know. It works, or kinda works. Yeah, the same problem. So it was getting called multiple times in a second. Yo, the Fight One, welcome to the stream. I just want to say that I'm sorry I couldn't talk too much, because all the sore throat thing. You sound worse. Yeah. It's not looking good for me. I'm practically dying over here, but it's okay. Did I get it checked? No, I didn't. But it's just a regular, sore throat. It'll get better in a few days. It's no big deal. Don't have to worry about it. I'll probably get better after 1 or 2 days. I hope so. I mean, I drink some medicine and I get some spray for my throat. I hope it does help though, but I have a pretty hard time falling asleep, because every time I try to breathe in, it feels like the air itself is made out of hot pepper. So yeah, that's kind of infuriating, but it's not that bad. Having a stuffy nose is worse, to be honest. Not normal? Well, it is when you have a very, very bad case of sore throat. Alright. One thing, we gotta find a way to call the evolution check only when we need to call it. So how am I gonna do that? Okay, you know what? I got an idea. I don't think it will do anything. It will still be the same. Ah. Yeah, it is still the same. Never mind about that, I think. Just gonna redo all of that. Maybe, oh my god, I don't know what to do, I don't know. Condition that can be only true for a split second. Ah, I know now. So let's make a far just attack. Just attack. Let's make it false. The default value is gonna be false. By the way, Jeff the Hotness, the Fight on Review, how are you guys? You know, how's your day? How's your week? How is everything, actually? Oh, my bad. Okay, we got this. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna die. Okay. Don't die on us? No, I'm not gonna die. I mean, I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to die, actually. Do I need another timer? I don't know. Sort of for 2.5 hours of moving props. Otherwise fine. Props? Is it like a school project or something? Been working for family as well? Ooh. Seems like you guys are a very hard worker. Well, I'm just spend my whole time in my room, you know, doing this shit. But you know, I can feel that my muscles are pretty sore too. Because yesterday I went to gym after, I don't know, 1 or 2 months of not going to gym. I mean, I used to be, you know, I used to go to the gym every single week for, I don't know, four days a week, I think. But I stopped going to gym because a lot of things, actually. One of them is I don't have enough time, and the second of it is because, you know, things, stress and stuff. But I decided to, you know, I wanted to get a healthy body. I wanted to look good again, so fuck it, I'm gonna go to gym. And so I go to gym. Oh, my back. And the worst thing about going to my local gym is that the equipment is so little. I mean, there's not enough equipment. So when you come in, you gotta share the bench, you gotta share the machines, which is really annoying, actually. That might be one of the reasons why I don't want to go back to the gym, because I gotta share everything. And you know, when you are working out, sharing things is not ideal. Too much people, yeah. It's not too much people. It's not enough, you know, it's not enough equipment, I think. Big rolling metal frames with tarps on them for marching band. Try holding back a windmill and you get the effect. Yikes. It is for the marching band, so yeah. I will, you know, I can see how heavy those things are. So I'm gonna tidy up all of this. Yeah, I'll try not to talk that much. I'll try to not yap that much. Today's just gonna be a pretty chill stream. You can work on something if you wanted to. I mean, I would prefer if you work along me while I'm working on this thing. Maybe you can work, you know, you can draw, you can learn something else, do another thing, you know. This is just a chill, not very talkative stream. Okay. I will be working on my game, fixing it. I shall learn. Yeah, don't worry about it. That is what I aim actually for this kind of stream. For people to come along and, you know, have a little chat, you know, have a little company while working on that thing. Because I couldn't talk that much. I somehow got it to work now. Surprisingly. Huh. Okay. It's a little bit of a brain fart. But I got it to work now. Ah, yeah. So that is a problem. Maybe I can do less or equal to 0. Maybe it should be like 0.1 or something. 0.01. Let's see. At least you gotta have some kind of value so that it doesn't just disappear. One, maybe. I don't know. Should work. 9. Should be less than 1. Let's see about that. Should work now. No, it just disappeared. Maybe you gotta be more than 1. gonna be less than 0.1 and more than 0.01. Oh. Oh no, my PC exploded. Oh, okay. Yikes. Okay, let's see. I don't know why is it not working. Oh, it works now. Look, it works now. Hehehe. Hiya, hiya, hiya. See, it works now. Thank you, by the way. Thank you. I think this should work perfectly. Yep, it works. Okay. Now if we combine everything. Just heard that and needed to see. Thanks, man. Thanks for hanging out for a sec. Okay, you know what? Let's change from sprite 2D because I don't want it to be sprite 2D. Let's change it to animated sprite 2D. I'll bring our little guy over there. I'm gonna put it down. Maybe not. The collision shape. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. And then this thing. Oh, look at that! It's a little cute. It's a cutesy guy. And what I gotta do is oh my god, there's so many bugs. Okay, just gonna ignore those. I'm gonna take. We go to the black slime. We take this. We copy this. We copy this. Oh my god. Function of the animation. Copy this. We give it to our evolution test. Put it right over here to handle all the animation. There will be a lot of bugs. Yikes. Okay. So, okay, we definitely doesn't want any kind of those problems. I'm just gonna ignore it first. Let's see it again. 1, 2, 3. Press U to smack our ass and then die. Okay, 5 seconds. I think that is not bad. I think that works. I think that works really, really well. Now let's apply it to our slime. Maybe not now. Maybe not now. Maybe not the best idea actually. Let's try it again. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot to hide this. Boom. Okay. Here. Oops. Yeah, I wanna hide. Hide the thing. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Oh. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Right. The point is, it works now, which made me really happy. Yay. Boom. Alright. Now that it works, I'm gonna take a little break, a toilet break, as we reach the 1 hour mark, surprisingly. Woohoo! I survived 1 hour without actually dying. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little toilet break, just, you know, take everything out of my body. Maybe it's bad stuff, who knows? And yeah, let's not go into too much detail on that. Yeah, be right back everybody, and enjoy the BGM. I hope it's not too loud. I'm back. Did I see some highs? What is going on over here? Wait. Good. Wait. Okay, we gotta steal the stream while he's gone. Hey! This is our stream now, and today we are watching a streamer named Pamicode. It's our ad break. Well, the ad break took you about 8 minutes, so I gotta say sorry about that. I have a hard time in the toilet. Kool-Aid, man, okay. Collaboration alongside. Okay. We're also launching a new product called Insert Name. Hey! Hey, this is my stream. How dare you take over my stream? Stream in loading for me? Wait, really? I'm back now. And I know what you guys are trying to do. You are trying to steal my stream. How dare you? Can't believe you've done this to me. I can't believe. I actually cannot believe. Oh my god, my back. I can feel my back cracking. Jeff idea? Blame them? Nah. You know what? If you guys were to take over my stream, I wouldn't, I wouldn't worry so much. The only time that I'm gonna worry is when Paul take over my stream. I am gonna be sweating bullets if that ever happens. I mean, if one of you take over my stream, I won't think so much about that. But if Paul, you know what I mean, right? You know what I mean. Yeah, I'll do. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. I don't know what it's gonna do with my stream, but all I know that it's probably not good. It's probably not good. Okay. Now gotta use my tiny brain to think what I'm gonna do next, because I don't think I can do anything next, because my brain is not doing anything next. Press U is it's kinda awkward trying to press U. So maybe I'm gonna change that. Maybe to I? Yeah, pressing I will be better. It's more comfortable on my fingies. Okay, pressing I would be a good idea. Okay, what we gotta do next? I don't know. Small slime is whatever all my favorites. Really? Well, what if I show you small slime that can move? I mean, look at these things over here. Look at these little dorks. Look at these little dorks. We come close to them. Hey, come here. smack my ass. Hey, look, they will start chasing me. So I'm gonna start, spanking their ass and killing them. Killing each one of them one by one. That motion is like a seal. Yeah, it's kind of like a seal, isn't it? Yeah, right? My children, I'm so sorry, but I gotta kill them all. It is one of my duty. I am so sorry. Press I. If I don't press I... Okay. Yep. Ah. Now let's do a little bit, a little debug. Yo, you a monster. My children, look at its face. It's melting. Well... I mean, they can also kill me. If I don't kill them, they will kill me first. Look at this. They hit me so hard. And then I die afterwards. Boom, I'm dead. So if I don't do anything, they will be the one who's gonna kill me. But they are younger and need food. That still doesn't make, that still doesn't make a good reason for killing me. Wait. Oh no, they both landed on the ground now. I'm gonna smack them both. I'm gonna do a little massacre. I've played my game and it's kind of fun. Not gonna lie, it's kind of fun. Also, I don't think I need those two. What is this? Raycast. I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. It's enjoyable, yeah. Killing little children. I mean, taking that out of context, killing little slime is enjoyable. Killing little slime is enjoyable. Ah, okay. Killing little slime is enjoyable. Do not take that out of context. Try not to do that. Don't slander my name like that. We love the derpy. They're young and don't know what's right. True. It's true. Haven't been able to watch well because of Wi-Fi. I'm gonna try to fix it tonight and hopefully it'll be better by next stream. Ah, it's okay. Take your time and I hope that your Wi-Fi will be a little bit nicer to you. Yeah, have a great night. Bye bye. Thanks for hanging out with me. Oh man, I have no idea what I want to do, what I'm gonna do it to. It's very confusing. Let's open up our scripts and go to our player. You know what, let's make a new function. My back. Oh. So, evolution, and then First, of course. No, I'm just thinking. I'm just taking my time to think. First, of course, we gotta check. No. No. I don't know. Yeah, I think it makes sense. I don't know. I don't know what I should do. I'm on a brain fart right now. My brain is not working the way I want it to work. Shit, man. Okay. Mysterious sickness. Maybe. I just cannot think straight. I don't know why. Fuck. Okay. I couldn't focus at all. Okay, Pam. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Let's think. Take a nap and let the medication work. You don't need to stream like this. No, it's okay. At least I want something to work first. I'm not forcing myself to stream. I just want to stream because I love doing it. I love streaming. But maybe after I finish one function, I'm gonna go to rest. I'm gonna get my rest, you know. So yeah, please do not worry about me. Yeah, I'm sure. I'll also thank you for saying that I'm one of your favorite streamer. It's, it means a lot to me, even though I'm not a big streamer. But having just a small fan base makes me really happy. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm gonna try my best not to die. Okay, I'm gonna add something else. And that is going to be an area 2D. So this area 2D, what I gotta do is that it's an evolution. Let's say trends. No, that's no. evolution. Just name it like that. Give it evolution hitbox. And then give it a collision 2D. Give it a collision, you know? I promise, after this, I'm gonna take some rest. I promise. I will try my best not to die. So I'm gonna be real derpy and cool on the next few streams. Yeah, it's gonna be able to consume things, which is really, really cool. And I can't wait, actually. I cannot wait for it to actually work. I'm really excited. I am really, really, really excited to see everything working the way I want it to be. It's always been my dream to, you know, work on something that I enjoy. And this is something that I really, really enjoy. So yeah. Oh, my stomach. Maybe I gotta make it a little bit closer. Yeah, never mind. As long as it works. Yeah, I mean, it's something that I created, so I'm really excited to see how it will, you know, work out. I can't wait until it's playable, if you choose such. Yeah, I'm gonna make it playable for free, actually. Because, you know, it's my first project and obviously I'm not gonna charge anything for my game. And, you know, if you wanna pay me, you can just donate if you wanted to. You don't have to pay for my game. Because I know that a lot of people in this world loves game but doesn't have the, you know, doesn't have the leverage to buy games. And, you know, I used to grow up with a lot of pirated games. I mean, you know, pirating games means that you download a game that you should have been paid for, but you downloaded it for free. That is an illegal thing to do, but, you know, back then we doesn't have a lot of choice. We don't have that kind of game money to buy games. So what I do is that I you know, back then we used uTorrent. I don't know if people still know that, but we used that and I downloaded the game and I played it. And to be honest, without those pirated games, I don't think that I will be the same as I am today. Because I grow up with games and a lot of another entertainment, but mostly games. Without those things, I won't have the drive or the motivation to actually work on my game today. So yeah, I gotta say thank you. I gotta say thank you for the people who made who made that pirating becomes a thing. Yeah, they are important for our lives. A lot of people, you know, a lot of people say that pirating games is not good and all. Yeah, it is not good. if you have the money yet you still doesn't pay for the game. But if you don't and you desperate like me, I mean, I was, it's not a bad thing to just, pirate the game. But do it considerably, please. And even more so, if you pay for a game and company gets a hold of it, yeah, true. That's when I feel it's fair. True, and yeah. To be honest, if it was, let's say, a indie game made by a small team of developer, or just indie game in general, I think it's a good thing if you support the developer by buying the game or show them some support and give them some, donation. But if you like, I don't know, corporate AAA games, pirating those things doesn't matter. Because you know why? Because they made a lot of money already. So by 1 or 2 person pirating the game won't be much harm. But I think for indie game, if you wanted to pirate, it's okay. But maybe when you have some money, some leverage, show them some love. Show them some love, like me. If I release a game that you gotta pay, let's say, $2 for it, and yet you pirate the game and then, I don't know, tells other people to pirate it and no need to buy it, I would be very sad. Because I worked very hard for that game and I get nothing for return. But it's reasonable. It just kind of, it makes me sad. It's not a bad thing, but it makes me sad. I'll never do such to you though, we are both indie game makers. Yeah, true. Yeah, true. I mean, if you put a paywall on your game, I will definitely buy it if it's still in a reasonable price range. Let's say $5 or maybe $10 will be the maximum that I can do for a game. I think if you wanna release your game, $1 to $5 is, I think, is a reasonable price. Anything more than that is a little bit too much, not gonna lie. Because a lot of games, especially in Steam or popular games, they sold the game for a pretty cheap price. Let's say $5. You wanna know why? Because if they work really hard on their game, that means a lot of people are gonna play it, and it's not like 1 or 2 or 3 people. It will be, let's say, 100 people. 100 people who plays your game. You already get $500 from that, and that is 500. What about 5,000? If 5,000 people downloaded your games, that will be 5k, 5 grand for you. And 5 grand is more than a lot of people's salary in 1 month. That's 1,000. Let's say, I don't know, 10k. 10k people bought your game, and it's crazy. Yeah, true. And as long as your game is a really polished game and a lot of people will enjoy it, and you're hiding behind a paywall, but a reasonable paywall, let's say $5 or $2, is reasonable. Is very, very reasonable. I mean, if I would sell my game the highest price tag that I could ever make will probably be $5.99, and that is the maximum. $5.99, aka $6. I don't know. With $6, you can probably buy some boba. You can buy some food. Maybe buy a very cheap pizza. And maybe instead of doing that, you could support this, little indie developer over here. That 1 cent be holding onwards, yeah. That 1 cent is for you to give to homeless people or something. Alright. Okay. It took a little bit too long. Let's give the evolution test a little, a wee bit of a... Why? Give it a little bit of a signals, yeah. Let's disconnect this and then connect it again. Alright. Let's copy this thing over here. Just copy all of this. Give it to our enemy evolution test. I'm gonna put it down behind. And delete the things that we will not use. Such as this. Oops. Such as this. If you see a lot of rats, it's okay. Things happen. Okay, now we just gotta copy some of this. Paste this over here. Rat is danger, right? Like my name. Yeah, I just realized that you have a rat name on your stream. I mean, on your chat. Enemy attacking. We don't need this. Enemy attacking. I'm just gonna delete that. Yeah. Okay. I think that we got it right. Let's see. If we press 1, 2, 3, it's gonna wait and then die. Okay, it dies. Very nice. Now, we just gotta do something. And that is adding this. It should work now. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Okay. This is confusing. Yeah, oh no. Oh no, it is. Oh no, yeah, oh no, it doesn't work. Okay. Ah, I can see what's wrong. So, first of all, it doesn't play the animation. Somehow. Oh, because I didn't call. I didn't call the animation. That is why. I didn't call the animation. That is my mistake. Ah, well, that's too fast. Ah, you know what? I gotta do this. Add this one little thing inside. And let's see it, you know, one more time. You got turned into text? Yeah. Let's see it. Oh. Ah, okay. You know, mistake happens. It's okay. It's normal. Things happen. Let's see it one more time. We wait 5 seconds and then it will disintegrate. Hey, look, it works. Hey, it works. It works. Ooh. Right. Let's see one more time. 1, 2, 3. Press I. If we don't press I, we leave it for 5 seconds. It will die and boom. Cool. Very cool. What if I do this? They will show, but when the animation started, the label hide. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we wait for 5 seconds. When the animation started, it will hide. Yeah, it works now. Okay, I think now that we could rest. I mean, now I will take a little rest. You know, because I've worked on this, and you know, maybe I didn't achieve the result that I was looking for, but it's something. It is something. Even though it's not perfect, I still need to work on a lot of other things. But for now, as long as this works, I'm just a tiny bit happy. A tiny little bit happy. Yeah, I will see you next stream too. I hope my voice healed. And I hope I got better. And I will take over your stream some of the time. Yeah, you can take over my stream whenever you want. You don't have to worry about that. So, I just wanted to say thank you to you, the 41 Uvu, and also to to Jeff the Hot Nurse, because Tarampo is not here today. Thanks to all of you who watched my stream, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you for watching, see you again tomorrow, bye bye.